Here I have Blackview Tab 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after it completely turns off, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Blackview logo appeared, you should release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, just select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that device will boot in the boot mode. So as you can see, small letters here saying fast boot mode, which indicates that we are in some kind of boot mode. Device is vibrating constantly in this mode, it's pretty strange. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.